if you have something of the form ax squared plus bx plus c, the formula for the matrix, or for the vertex, I call it x sub vertex in this case. You'll see me use this notation quite frequently. X sub v for vertex is minus b over 2a. So that means you've got some formulas to remember. And the y-coordinate of the vertex, which I often call y sub v, is f of minus b over 2a, or it's f of the x-coordinate of the vertex. In other words, it's the old thing, put in x, get out y, put in x, get out y, put in x, get out y, put in x, get out y. The axis of symmetry is a vertical line. It goes down through the x-coordinate of the vertex. So what is the axis of symmetry? It's x equals the x-coordinate of the vertex. That's the fold line. And by the way, you see me use AOS. AOS means axis of symmetry. That's so I don't have to write it out or type it out, either way. It has the maximum or minimum, and it is at the y-coordinate of the vertex. So if I were to ask you, what is the maximum or what is the minimum, it's the y-coordinate of the vertex. And occurs at a particular point, at x-coordinate. But the highest it gets or the lowest it gets is a y value. What's the maximum profit? It's a y value. What's the maximum height? It's a y value. Okay, so here we go. Find the coordinates of the vertex of the parabola. I should be able to blow this up, but I can't at this point. So this says f of x equals 3x squared minus 12x plus 1. So the x-coordinate of the vertex, I'll just write really big. It's minus b over 2a. b is negative 12 over, so it's negative a negative 12 over 2 times 3, which is 6, which is 12 over 6, which is 2. And the y-coordinate of the vertex is f of 2. It's f of the x-coordinate of the vertex. So stuff it in. It's 3 times 2 squared minus 12 times 2 plus 1, which is 3 times 4 or 12 minus 24. Oh, isn't that cute? Plus 1. It's minus 12 plus 1, or minus 11. So the vertex is 2 minus 11. Now, does he have a maximum or a minimum? By the way, how's he open, by the way?
He opens up.
Opens up, since 3, is a positive number, since a is positive, right? So if he opens up, that's what I've got. That's what I think in my head when I look at that. So does he have a maximum or a minimum? A minimum. Mm-hmm. Since he opens up. So anytime I'm dealing with max or mins, I look at the thing and I look, does he open up or does he open down? If he opens up, I draw this picture, it tells me he has a minimum. If he opens down, I draw the other picture that says he has a maximum. Pictures help. So, the x-coordinate of vertex minus b over 2a which is minus 8 over 2 times negative 2, which is minus 8 over minus 4, or 2. We'll take it. Seems to be a popular number. The y-coordinate of the vertex is f of 2, which is minus 2 times 2 squared plus 8 times 2 minus 1, which is 2 times 4, that's minus 8. Oh, plus 16 minus 1. Is that not cute? This is minus 8 plus 16 is plus 8. Plus 8 minus 1 is 7. So the vertex is at x equal 2, y equals 7. And he opens, how? Down. Because A is negative 2, so it's negative. So he opens down. So this is the picture. Now, I don't know where he is on a graph paper, but I know if I could graph him, that's what he would look at, right? I have his picture. So that says he has a, what, maximum or minimum?